How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about the Dow and basically the whole stock market. Right now, it's a very dangerous time to buy right now. I have my personal opinion. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or anything, but I'm gonna be talking about my reasoning around this and why it's freaking dangerous right now to invest, especially after today. It's the Dow is over 400 points. Just let that sink in. It's over 400 points. This is after a day where it's just been keep going up. It's up almost 1,000 points in the last 5 days. It is crazy, especially since like a lot of stores. If you didn't see last video, a lot of stores closed down. Like Apple and a lot of other stores, they completely closed their stores due to the riots and stuff like that. Target closed all their stores, and basically in a lot of cities like LA especially, you can't even go out to buy stuff after like 5. So that's even worse for a lot of other businesses, right? But despite everything, despite the unemployment, it just keep going up. And today it's up over 400 points again, and I basically just want to talk about that. So right before we jump into it, if you haven't already, make sure to sign up for Webull. Basically, it's a stock trading platform. It's personally one of my favorites. It's a lot better than Robinhood because they have way better charts. Obviously, zero commissions. But if you sign up and you deposit just $100, you'll get 2 free stocks that are worth at least $20, but maximum of 1,400. So just make sure to sign up if you haven't already. It's just literally free money, and it's personally one of my favorite platforms to actually invest in when you guys do actually do so. So let's just jump straight into it. Now, the nasdaq is even crazier because if we look at the nasdaq, right, it's literally almost at an all-time high. It's literally there. It's only 170 off, just under 1% off its all-time high. That is crazy. And I don't think, yeah, this is not even counting today's. So if we look at today's as well, it's literally 1.7% off its all-time highs. That is crazy, man. That is literally crazy. Now, why shouldn't you invest? The thing is, if you're looking at a long-term outlook for the next, like maybe you're just investing for retirement, right? Maybe the next 10 to 30 years plus, then obviously you just want to buy an index fund. Just buy it and leave it and forget it because short-term doesn't matter. But if you're investing for the next 1 year plus, which is what I usually do, 6 months, 1 year plus, it's really dangerous because in the next 90 days, in the next 2 months to 90 days, we'll see company earnings, and that could potentially mean a lot for these companies. If we look at Apple stock, it's trading at above a 25p ratio, which is actually quite a bit high. Like it's pretty high. But Apple isn't even up today, so that's pretty interesting. If you look at the normal P ratio for the stock market is 15. If you look at Microsoft stock, it's not at 15, it's at 30. It's at 30. That's double. Now, I don't want to say it's a bubble, but that's pretty high, man. That is pretty damn high. But yeah, but Microsoft is a pretty established company. Like, it's not a growth stock that could potentially 10x, right? So that is freaking crazy. If you look at just a lot of different companies, they're already like fully recovered, right? Like that is pretty crazy. So in the next 2 months, 3 months, it could really potentially something big. Like we could see just a falling knife. Like it in my opinion, I just can't see this keep going up. Like if this goes past all-time highs, right, that's literally like, I don't know, that's really sketchy for the stock market. I got a few comments saying that everything just really sketchy, like maybe the feds are doing something, and nah, that's very true. Because personally, if you look at the if you just look at the let's look at the S&P 500, the market always starts up high, it goes up, and then it kind of goes down a bit, goes down, and just after hours it shoots back up right before open. And I've noticed that every single day for the last few days. Like look, right before open it goes up, and right before close or right before open it goes up, and then again right before open it just shoots up for no reason. And I mean, obviously anyone can be doing this, but like who's buying like this many stocks? Like because we know a lot of other companies aren't buying their like own shares back right now because they're obviously in debt and stuff like that. Obviously, Warren Buffett said like he's literally not going to be buying any more stocks for the next few months because of everything. And man, so it's just very sketchy overall in my opinion. But at the end of the day, what can you really do? I'm personally just waiting in the sidelines. Patience is the key right now. If you already have stocks like me, I have some good stocks. Obviously, I have Tesla, Facebook, stuff like that. If you saw my portfolio video, but I'm not selling those. I took some profits on Uber personally. I did have a few shares of Uber. It's not too much, but took some profits on that. But overall, I'm just gonna hold and keep it. I'm not gonna sell any more stocks, but I do have cash on the sidelines, literally ready to buy in my brokerage account. Like I have my brokerage account ready to buy, just in case anything happens. Now, yeah, man. If you saw my last video, I don't want to repeat myself from last video too much. About a second crash may be coming, but man, I just wanted to make a video updating on today's because today is freaking insane, up almost 500 points. Let's refresh it though. It's up now 380, so I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back down and then next open, like literally the volume, like if you look at the volume, right, the volume just shoots back up at the end of the day. It's pretty weird, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, that's really random how it goes up another 400 points today. That is insane. Like you don't even know. That is crazy. It's literally back up to where the all-time highs were. If you look at the 2008, right? 2008 crash, the highs of the 155, it didn't hit 155. Do you know how long it took to hit 155? It took 4 years. Now, I'm not gonna say it's gonna take that long because the economy was doing fine. It's not a problem with the economy, it's just a problem with the outside force coming in. But at the end of the day, the unemployment's much more than 2008, and it's just a bad situation overall. So that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments if you haven't already. Guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel as I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So any of you guys can help me out, that'll be really appreciated. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video.